I love working with the sales reps that I have in my Restoration Sales Academy programs every week. And one of the things that I really enjoy is hearing about their wins of the week. And there's one or two common elements, and usually it's both of them combined that drive that first referral and then build that momentum of ongoing work that comes in from the referral source or from the decision maker. If you have any interest in building your sales team, just book a call with me and I'll tell you more about the Restoration Sales Academy. In the meantime, what are these two things? And they're very basic, but the reps in my groups, the ones that really excel, are very intentional about these two things: building trust and asking for the work. So I take them through this process of building trust, a little bit at a time. And when it adds up to the magic amount of trust, they get the first job. And the ones that get there faster are the ones that are always asking. One of the reps in the group this past week, there were actually two different stories in two different groups about asking for work and getting it. And they both started as, no, we don't need your help. We already have a restoration company. We're in good shape. Both of these stories went in such a similar way. It was just amazing. And then I heard a third one when I interviewed a sales rep for one of my clients later on in the week, and it was the same situation. Here's the basic layout of it. Rep is trying to build a relationship, 2, 3, 4 visits with the decision maker, told over and over, no, we're good, we have a restoration company. And the rep says something like, is there anything else that you're having a problem with? Is there anything else I can help you with? Do you have any projects on your desk right now that you don't know what to do with? And in each of these two cases in my RSA groups, and then this third case that was a $2 million loss, they're all the same. They all went the same way. The rep asked, is there anything else I can help you with? Are you having any other challenges? And in each case, the person did. One of those cases, the thing that was just this kind of like nuisance project, was a $120,000 job that they got awarded in a week. The other ones were smaller, but all three turned into a large water loss within 1 month of that conversation. So build trust in a methodical way and ask for work. No ask, no get, right? It's just amazing that when you ask so many times, you will receive. So if you have any questions about how I might be able to help you or how the RSA program works, just book a call with me. See you in the next video.